If a business treats you poorly, that is a choice by them, 99% of the time. In fact, 100% of the time. All the time that you get bad service from a company, that was a choice of theirs. And it's normally to save money, to save time. But by saving the time, they're saving money. So it's all about money, right? So they're trying to make as much profit off you as possible and not go above and beyond. There are some businesses that beat this, like people like Amazon. If you have a parcel that doesn't arrive, Amazon will refund the customer. Or they'll give you a new one, or they'll do a thing. But Amazon are different in they cost sellers quite harshly, so forget about Amazon. This morning, I've just spent the last 45 minutes sending out emails to around 30 odd customers, offering them vouchers and free gifts at Mergs. Why? Why, John? That's not how you run a successful business, by giving things away? Yes, it is. So, we are moving warehouse. We're moving warehouse from A to B. And through, shall we put it politely and say, miscommunication, we said that orders could be dispatched until 2 p.m. on Thursday. There are still orders outstanding from Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. These customers were under the impression these orders would be shipped that week and they would get them. And we're moving warehouse. Inventory will land probably today or tomorrow. Today is Monday, so we've had 4 or 5 days. And everything will be ready to dispatch on Thursday or Friday this week. So it's going to be over a week, maybe even 10 days nearly for some people that have placed orders. And we pride ourselves on our service. So I'm sat here knowing full well that these orders are on a wagon, not being packed, not being sent. So what do you do?
My heart's now up to 200 BPM as well.
You've just won £1 million!
There is a right way and a wrong way to handle this. The wrong way is to ignore them, to just pretend it's not an issue, to hope it goes away, to just pretend this is not a problem, or to fob people off, or you get emails saying, hi, where's my order? And you'd be like, it's stuck in the post. No, it's not. It's on a pallet. Right, so in the interest of transparency, I sent all these people a personalised email each, not even put them all in as a BCC and sent them all a blind one. No, I put every single name in, I found all their names, I exported their orders, I got everything. I sent each person a unique email saying, I'll just pull one up, if we go down to more, sent. So, I put an email out. I'm John, the founder of Mergs, wanted to shoot you a quick email saying your order is delayed. Long story short, it's because we're moving warehouse, blah, 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 blah. We told you it would be dispatched until 2 p.m. on Thursday the 26th, but all orders have been packed the days prior. We've got 2 options. We can issue you a full refund immediately. You can have your money back right now. If you needed the item, well, then you need the money to go buy other items. That's fine. It can't be helped. Or the other alternative, if you decide to keep your order that will be shipped around the October 4th, we can send you either of the following: a £10 Mergs voucher or a free pair of wristbands. Think of them as like a lightweight sweatband. They retail for about £13. So, out of those 2, we apologise once again, but in the efforts of transparency, we wanted to make sure you're not left in the dark and know exactly what's going on. This is not to highlight, oh, look at Mergs, we're really good service. No, it's not. It's to highlight the really terrible service that other people offer. And that if people don't take care of you at a business, that was a choice and nothing more. That is it. Do they prioritise people or profits? Most businesses, it's profits. And they'll tell you that it's the other way around, but their actions speak louder than words. What do they actually do to help you? Do they really care? Or are they not that arsed? Do they try and fob you off for a few days and just, we'll pretend this never happened, we'll hope the problem goes away? No. But by me sending these out to all these customers, now these customers are thinking, well, cool, I got an email from the founder of the company, the owner. Some of these don't know it's only me, so to them that could be like getting an email from Ben Francis at Gymshark, being like, oh, cool. So we put a personal touch on that. We sent them out at 10 a.m. on Monday morning. I realised this was an issue Saturday, but simply due because it's the weekend, nothing would have happened over the weekend anyway. Like, there was no rush. It was been my first job this morning. So you've just got to look at it from a customer perspective. A company has just admitted fault and offered to give you compensation. Is that not the best case scenario? If I was a customer, I'd be like, oh, brilliant. You know, if Lucy had she ordered some products recently for her sister's birthday. She ordered some car perfume, and she ordered it on, let's make this up, the 1st of September. She had about 3 weeks until she needed it for the birthday gift, and after, I think it was like 10 or 12 days, nearly 2 weeks, she sent them an email saying, hi, where's my thing? I paid for 2 to 3 day delivery at £5. And they were like, oh, yeah, we're just really busy. What do you mean really busy? You have one job and it's to send me things when I give you money. Is that not all you do? Like, what? And then it came to it. She sent another email a couple of days before the birthday. Hi, where's the order? Really sorry about that, but we're working on getting it out to you. And I couldn't believe the responses from these guys. Not even the refunding of postage. You couldn't even just send her $4.99 back and pretend like, look, we're really sorry, you've paid for a service that you've not received. Here is the compensation for that. At least a micro refund of £5. If you can't afford to send a customer a £5 back, your business is not sustainable. That is just criminal. And it just makes me wonder, I'm like, why don't more businesses aim to help customers? Some do, some are fantastic, some are really good, but most don't. And if you went to a company and they really took care of you, you're more inclined to go back. Of course you are. Because you think, oh, well, if anything goes wrong again, they're going to look after me, because trust is everything in business. So look after your customers like they're friends of yours. Look after your customers like if there were no way to get new customers, what would the current ones say? Would you still have a business? Would they still tell their friends to come to you? If all your ads got turned off and you got shut down on advertising, would your word of mouth do anything positive? Hopefully, because it's such a powerful form of marketing and it costs so little, just because of a few nice gestures. So, yeah, this is more of a rant at those companies that treat you poorly. Don't settle for it, don't stand for it, and yeah, we just need others to do better. Anyway, I'm going to get back to work, and I hope you do the same. I will catch you guys in the near future.